Hi everyone, welcome back. So obviously it's been a while and I just wanted to make this very first video for my channel because I just wanted to explain pretty much why I stopped posting on YouTube for so long. So just to start from the beginning, the laptop that I used to edit my videos with pretty much just broke down from the start. From like when I very first got it, it was not good because it wasn't like a brand new laptop. It was the laptop that someone had given me, and it was just so slow. Like when I would upload videos, it would literally take hours. Like it would take like sometimes the whole day. Like I would start uploading like at 8 a.m. and it probably wouldn't be ready until like almost 9 at night, sometimes 10. Like it was just so bad. And I don't know, eventually it just got super duper slow to the point where one day I was about to upload a video and then it kind of just shut down and I was never able to turn it on again. I don't really know what happened to it, but I was just like, okay, I guess it doesn't work anymore. And yeah, so I was not able to post videos for a very long time. It really sucked because around the time it broke down was when I was finally like getting comfortable being in front of the camera and all that. So now I have to get used to all that again. But yeah, so I'm back on YouTube. I can't wait to post freaking videos for you guys and tutorials and vlogs and all that fun stuff. I hope you guys are excited. I am. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you have specific looks that you would like me to do a tutorial on, just let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace. Oh my god.